This is just a short video to show Hartlepool bungalow to any prospective tenant. Bungalow itself is set on its own, no neighbours, for about half a mile. It's set here in about 6 acres of wood. Built in 1963 but has been modernised. The roof has recently been refurbished and has also been fitted with new insulation. The walls have been fitted with new insulation as well, so it's quite reasonable to heat. It has oil fired central heating, but it also has a log burner, which of course allows you to burn firewood, and in fact there is, as you can see, no shortage of firewood around here. One of the things we say is that tenants are welcome to take firewood from the fallen timber in the wood, chop it up, use it themselves at their own risk and so on, but it's free to use for anyone here, so free fuel from that point of view. Anyway, this is the hallway. The house has this laminate floor. It's a high quality semi-commercial laminate throughout. If we turn right here, we have the entrance to the 3 bedrooms. So we take this first one to the front. Obviously unfurnished at the moment. The property is available for rent, and it will be officially unfurnished. Condition. This is bedroom number 2, which is also sizable. All 3 bedrooms are potentially doubles. That's the view from the bedroom. Here we have bedroom number 3, which is also a double. Go through here to the living room, which has a log burner, bathroom, kitchen, which has a gas hob, and finally, last but not least, we have the back sort of utility area, which takes us out the back door. View of the wood looking south down to Loch Ridden, running north, looking up Glendaruel. Okay.